two seagulls perched on a sun-bleached rock, listening to the ocean's whispers. "I heard the ocean breeze can grant wishes," said the first gull, eyeing a shiny shell. "Really?" replied the second, skeptical. "Sure," the first gull continued. "Just listen closely." They leaned in, wings outstretched, as the breeze rustled secrets. Suddenly, a crab scuttled by, muttering, "Wish for a brain, why don't you?" The gulls squawked in surprise, flapping a wing. The crab chuckled. "Always works." The ocean breeze sighed. "Another day, another gull."